Hi, and welcome to another Pin Publishing interactive video. Today I will be going over an example of a FlipperSD component used to create and edit a drawer for your website. Let's get started. After logging into the backend of Flipper, we are going to start with creating our new component. Go to the Components option in the menu on the left and hit Components. This menu shows us all of our previously created components. We want to create a new one by clicking on the green Add New button. Next, we'll go ahead and give our component a name. This is going to be going on our FAQ page, so I'll go ahead and name it FAQ Drawers. And then you'll select the component type. This one will be Drawers, and we'll go ahead and hit Add. This will add it to our new menu. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to go right here under Code. We'll hit Copy to Clipboard. This will save the code to the clipboard, and then we'll go ahead to the page that we're going to want to put the drawers on. Since we're going to be putting this on the FAQ page, we're going to go to that page. Next, we're going to go down to the menu at the bottom. We're going to hit Edit Content, and since we want to put this under our heading, we're going to go into this HTML part of this section. We're going to go towards the end down here, and we're going to paste that code in there. And then we'll hit Save Changes. Now that we've added the component, we have to refresh the page. So I go up to the URL and hit Enter. So now you'll see that the component overlay button is down here in the menu. And when we click on that, you'll see the puzzle piece, and that is where our new drawers component is. We'll just go over to the puzzle piece and click on that, and that brings us to the menu where we can add our content. Next, it's time to start adding our new content. So we'll go up to our green button and click Add New for a new drawer. We'll go ahead and click Title to enter the question for our FAQ. We'll do what types of coffee do you offer? And then we'll go ahead down to the content and we'll add the answer to that question. So for our FAQ page, I use the title as the question and then the content as the answer to the question. And then we'll go ahead and hit Save. So that adds the first drawer to as many as we want to add. So if I wanted to add another one, I'll go to Add New. Let's add another question. Maybe, do you offer any loyalty programs or discounts? And our shop does, so we'll go down to the content and we'll answer the question and we'll hit Save. So now we have two drawers. So if I wanted to go in and edit this first drawer, I simply just go to the pencil and click Edit. And then it takes me back to the original one. So if I wanted to edit the title or edit the content, I can do that, and all I have to do is hit Update. If I wanted to delete this question, I simply just have to go to the trash can and hit Delete. And if I want to rearrange the questions, I can use the arrows to move this one down or move this one up. So after we've added them, we can go ahead and exit out. And then we'll go back up to the URL again. I hit Enter to refresh, and then there's our drawers. So when I click, it'll expand. So right now we can just see the two questions, and then anybody that wants to see the answers, they can just simply click on the question, and then there's the answer in their drawers. These drawers are just one of the many ways to use our new components feature in FlipperSD. If you have any other questions about components or other services we provide, feel free to visit our website or contact us at sales@pinpublishing.com. Feel free to check us out on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.